Hi everyone, let's look at question number 16 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from trigonometry. This is one of the most favorite topics of examiners. So the topics in this study matrix are listed from the frequency, so the most frequent ones are at the top. So you see it's one of the most frequent questions, and lately it also comes a lot more than previously. This question was relatively easier, and this was with the right angle triangle, which generally is easier than non-right angle triangle. So let's look at question number 16. So you're given a triangle and you're asked to calculate this theta and the value of x. Can't get any straightforward than this. So let's go here. All you need to know is certain properties for right angle triangle. So if you go and check out our notes, you will get everything that you need to know. It's under right angle triangle, and you can also find it in study notes as well. So the properties that we need to know are: how do you calculate sine, cosine, and tangent? So here, if you want to calculate the theta, if this is theta, then this is hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is adjacent. The formula for tan is opposite over adjacent. So tan of theta will be 8 divided by 10, and theta will be 39 degrees. So that's for part A. For part B, you want to calculate x. That's a straightforward Pythagoras theorem. So x squared is equal to 10 squared plus 8 squared, which will give you a value of x of 12.8.